Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm which device you're fixing, phone, tablet, or PC, and disconnect any external keyboard to avoid interference. Once done, go to Settings, then Accessibility or Keyboard, because those menus house the features causing automatic typing. Turn off autocorrect and predictive text first, then disable hardware key repeat or sticky keys so held keys don't repeat. Make sure to save changes or exit settings properly, and keep the device unlocked while testing the keyboard to observe immediate effects. Next, address the middle, more complex causes. Update or roll back keyboard drivers, open Device Manager on Windows or check System Report on Mac OS, because drivers can introduce errant behavior. Then scan for malware and disable any macro or remapping apps. Sometimes background utilities simulate typing. Physically inspect the keyboard. A stuck key, debris, or liquid can trigger repeats, so clean with compressed air or remove keycaps if possible. After each change, reboot and test to isolate the root cause. To finish, verify in safe mode or a guest account to determine whether software conflicts cause automatic typing. If the issue stops, a third-party app is likely the culprit. Next, swap keyboards or change the USB port. This quickly tells you whether the problem is hardware. If it persists, reset keyboard settings or perform a system restore point made before the issue. Troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode and observe. If typing stops there, focus on removing recent apps or drivers before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.